Question number 1. It shows the presence of nucleoid, plant cell, bacteria, animal cell, virus. Correct answer is option B, bacteria. Question number 2. The cell wall of fungi is made up of which substance? Starch, chitin, cellulose, pectin. Correct answer is option B, chitin. Question number 3. Which organelle is not considered as a part of the endomembrane system? Vacuole, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome. Correct answer is option B, chloroplast. Question number 4. The chromosome in which the centromere is located at the end is acrocentric, metacentric, telocentric, submetacentric. Correct answer is option C, telocentric. Question number 5. Select the unicellular organism which possess cilia. Paramecium, amoeba, yeast, opelina. Correct answer is option A, paramecium. Question number 6. Which is the example of a unicellular organism? Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, mushroom, chiton. Correct answer is option A, Chlamydomonas. Question number 7. Who mentioned that cell had a thin layer around them? Visscher, Sladen, Schwann, Robert Hooke. Correct answer is option C, Schwann. Question number 8. Who mentioned that the presence of a cell wall is a unique character of the plant cell? Visscher, Sladen, Schwann, Robert Hooke. Correct answer is option C, Schwann. Question number 9. Which organelles are found only in animal cells? Mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, centroid, all of these. Correct answer is option C, centroid. Question number 10. Which is the biggest animal cell? Ostrich egg, hen's egg, PPLO, mycoplasma. Correct answer is option A, ostrich egg. Question number 11. In some bacteria, the outermost layer is a loose set layer called as glycolex, capsule, cell membrane, slime layer. Correct answer is option D, slime layer. Question number 12. What is the function of SER? Full form of SER is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Synthesis of protein, synthesis of steroid hormone, synthesis of enzyme, none of this. Correct answer is option B, synthesis of steroid hormone. Question number 30. How many units occur in each stack piles of Golgi apparatus? 228, 329, 428, 426. Correct answer is option C, 428. Question number 40. What is produced when vesicles are separated from Golgi body? Lysosome, vacuoles, ribosome, chloroplast. Correct answer is option A, lysosome. Question 50. The area of the cytoplasm without any cytoplasm is called as chloroplast, cytoplasmic gap, mitochondria, vacuole. Correct answer is option A, chloroplast. Which organelle is responsible for the degradation of worn-out cell? Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, vacuole. Correct answer is option C, lysosomes. Question number 17. Which plaster is not included as a chromoplast? Xanthophylus, keratin, anthocyanin, chloroplast. Correct answer is option D, chloroplast. Question number 80. Which plaster process chlorophyll pigments? Keratin, chloroplast, xanthophylus, anthocyanin. Correct answer is option B, chloroplast. Question number 19. How many grana present in one chloroplast? 40 to 60, 50 to 80, 17 to 70 to 100, 20 to 50. Correct answer is option A, 40 to 60. Question number 20. Each Granum process how many thylakoids? 90 to 93, 19 to 89, 2 to 100, 19 to 38. Correct answer is option C, 2 to 100.